In this part, we're going to talk about more helpful, useful ideas for useful tips for our outliner. To access our outliner, we have to go to Window and then down to Outliner here. Then we can see our object in outliner. I'm going to call it box underscore 1 again. And what's useful about having this underscore and 1 is if we duplicate the object, which to duplicate, you either have to press Command D on a Mac or Alt D on Windows. And what that has done in Outliner, as you can see, you have box underscore 1 and box underscore 2, which is really helpful when you're duplicating. What you can also do is select both the objects, either by clicking on one of them and then holding Shift and clicking on the other. And then what you can do is press either Command G or Alt G, depending on, well, Command G if you're on an Apple OS, or Alt G if you're on a Windows computer. So what that does, it groups the objects together, and so we can easily find them later on. So I'm going to name them boxes for the time being. And what we can also do for the use with our outliner, let's say if we wanted box 1 to be hidden, we can just go into outliner and then just change the visibility to off. And let's say if we want to add the object back in again and we can't select it because it's invisible. So what we have to do is go back into outliner and select box 1, which I've named it. We then have to go into the outliner, and where it says visibility, we can just put in on, and then yeah, you have your object back.